G'day folks, today we're in the mountains on the adventure bike and we're going to turn around on the side of the hill. In 2 minutes let me show you how. I'm Mark McVeigh. I've been riding safely on the road and racing on track for 35 years. After working as a MotoGP engineer, I founded the Riders Academy in Australia. Today I run the motoDNA Digital Academy, online and data driven, teaching riders all over the world. The most important skill for riding big hills is the ability to safely turn around on that hill. This gives you the confidence to attempt any hill climb because you know you can always get back down safely if it doesn't work out. We tried to get up this big hill and we haven't made it to the top. I tried to restart but it's not happening. The hill is too steep and slippery. The next step is to turn around. If it looks a bit dicey, it is. This hill is steep, rocky and has quite a loose surface. So the first thing is to take your time. There is no rush. If you fall over the high side of the bike, it will hurt. Plus, you'll likely end up with a 250 kilo adventure bike on top of you. The next thing to understand is the grip. Weight is grip, and most of the grip is on the rear tire with the bike pointing up the hill. If you use the front brake on its own, the bike will slide down the hill. Plus, sometimes it's tricky to use the rear brake as you need your feet on the ground for stability. So I'm going to use the clutch with the engine off to control the grip. Sitting saves energy and also weights that rear tire for good grip. So I've stalled the engine and I start slipping the clutch to let the bike roll back. Slow, small movements, step by step. Regularly look down and check your footing. You don't want to go over the high side. Also lean the bike into the hill, put your weight on that foot. Then once you're sideways on the hill, use the steering to walk the front tire down the hill. Keep your head up, that gives you good balance, and pick your line. Now that more weight is transferred to the front, you can start using the front brake too. Both tires are sliding, so modulate that front brake pressure together with the clutch friction point for the rear. And remember, we're not athletes. Most adventure riders are middle-aged and up, so just take your time. Sign up at motodna.com to learn more.